Hello guys, welcome to our channel Tutorial River, and in this video we will learn about the best free voice changer for Roblox voice chat. So firstly, after opening up your browser, in the search panel type voice mod, then left click. Now go to the voice mod website. Now click on get voice mod for free. And after that, voice mod will ask the location for the download, so just select the location and click on save. Then the download will proceed as normal. After the download is complete, click on open file. Now open the installation file and click run. Now select all the necessary steps, then continue to the installation section. Now the file will start downloading. After the download is complete, the installation will proceed. Let the installation finish. After the installation has finished, voice mod will launch. Click on get started. Now it will ask you to select the input and output device. Just select them. Then the voice mod will open. After voice mod has opened, you have to go to any Roblox game. Then press escape and go to settings. From here in the input section, you have to select line voice mod virtual audio device. After you have selected the correct input device, you can use different kinds of voice in Roblox. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.